Counting of breath. This simple exercise has the goal to keep you getting to know and to control the unsteady nature of attention. Many people that practice meditation will realize that a steady, even rhythm, like the breath, is not able to hold your attention for a long time. Just a short time after you begin meditating, other topics of your consciousness are moving into the center of your attention, like thoughts, what you do currently, or thoughts, why you do the things you do currently, or thoughts of your future goals. Whatever is happening, be aware of it and come back with your attention to your meditational object of your choice. With the help of the continuous practice, you will be able to widen the span of attention, and also, whatever is happening, be aware of it and come back with your attention to your meditational object of your choice, preferably the breath. With the help of continuous practice, you'll be able to widen the span of attention and also realizing your attention slipping away faster. A useful method to support this process of directing your attention and widening your attention span is counting of breath. Basically, you are first of all just observing your breath, but in addition to the mindful inhalation and exhalation, you count. Inhalation 1, exhalation 2, inhalation 3, exhalation 4, and so on. It is most likely easier to just count until 10 and then start with 1 again. It is important to note that the main focus is not to count. The goal is to let the majority of your focus to stay on your breath. The count of breaths supports this process by giving your thoughts a task and therefore a direction, so it is harder for your mind to drift away. And once you realize your thoughts that are popping up while the exercise, it will help you for the meditation practice in the future. Once you master counting with each inhalation and exhalation, you can begin to count just each exhalation. It widens your attention span a little bit, step by step. When you feel comfortable with counting your breath, you can count to 10 a number of times as you like. When you feel comfortable with counting your breath, you can count to 10 a number of times as you like. This has the advantage that you do not have to be externally controlled by a timer once you have a meditation session. The risk of having a timer is that you are starting to meditate, but once your attention goes away, it might be hard to stay focused the rest of the time. So counting the breath can be a useful tool to direct your attention as you want. Once you feel comfortable meditating and holding your attention, you do not have to count your breath anymore. Please let me know whether this works for you.